Hello everybody, today we're programming a new key for a 2024 Genesis GV70 model. We have OEM keys here straight from the factory. This is a working key and this is the new key, but we will have to reprogram them both. So we got our machine plugged in. We're going to choose the vehicle and go in to the system. Ignition is off. Program proximity keys. This will erase all the keys. That's fine. We're going to put them in again. So it's 594903 is the pin. Doors must remain closed throughout procedure. Press OK. Ignition is off. It is. PIN code is accepted. All Hyundais and Kias need a PIN code for programming these smart keys. Okay, so once we press the OK, within 5 seconds, we have to hold the remote up against the push to start button, like so. Keys programmed. Do you want to program another one? Yes, so it already took one key. Here it is. We're going to do another one. Same thing. Do you want to program another key? No. Procedure complete. 2 keys programmed. Buttons work. Everything's good. So that's it for programming a Genesis 2024 GV70 model. Thanks for watching, guys.